Leveraging postponement strategies for competitive advantage in the automobile industry. By Dr. Polycarp Fusi, Professor Charles Mbov, and Dr. Emmanuel Innocent Sedown. This book explores the successful implementation of postponement strategies in the competitive automobile industry. By delaying product differentiation until closer to the point of sale, automotive companies can enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and provide superior customer responsiveness. The book provides a comprehensive understanding of postponement strategies' impact on supply chain management, manufacturing processes, distribution channels, and overall business performance. It offers practical guidance and a strategic roadmap for sustained success in the global marketplace. The importance of postponement strategies is increasingly evident as the automotive industry evolves and faces new challenges. By leveraging postponement, companies can tailor their products to meet specific customer needs and preferences, creating a personalized and satisfying experience for their clients. The book examines the various impacts of postponement strategies throughout the entire supply chain, highlighting their influence on manufacturing processes, distribution channels, and overall business performance. The book also offers a strategic roadmap for sustained success in the automotive industry, providing executives, managers, researchers, and practitioners with practical guidance on leveraging postponement strategies to achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. By understanding the intricacies of postponement implementation, readers can effectively streamline operations, minimize costs, and maximize customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.